Yes, are you ready?
Yes.
When I count to 3, you two cats will switch brains. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
What are you?
Me and the cat fused. I'm an alien cat.
How can we fix it? Maybe we can use a potion. Good idea.
Okay.
Here we go.
Ah!
Hello. Oh no, now there are 2 alien cats.
That was crazy.
I'm hungry.
Oh, hi, Hungry.
Oh my gosh. My name is Rosie and I'm a scientist.
My name
is Scylla.
And I'm Jocelyn.
My name is Mia. How are we going to fix them? The potion did not work, so what do we do now? All right, bedtime, good night.
Okay, good night to you too.
Oh no, the lights are out. What is going on?
You snore loud.
What is going on? Well, sorry. The lights are out. I am going to eat. It's going to eat us. Guys,
Oh my God. Oh my gosh, the lights are back on. Oh my gosh, the lights are back on.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Hey, I'm the monster. I'm here too.
Run!